Hello viewers, hope you are doing great. Today in this video I'll let you set up how to set up eSIM on your iPhone. So see, in the settings right now I don't have any SIM here, so I'll go to the settings and here you see set up a cellular option is coming. So right now I have a first option. It is I have a one QR code, so I will scan this one. So for setting up I will directly just click this and install cellular plan. I can set up by three ways. This is the one, like I will scan the QR code, use QR code. I will click scan the QR code and here I will scan this code. See, it's scanned. Now activate eSIM option is there, so I will just click continue and it will start to activate. See, this is now connecting to network, and after some time cellular setup is complete, done. And see, right now I have received the option of the network, which is do, and turn on the iMessages. I don't use, so I will don't use this one, so don't use. So now you can see that it is cellular is there. So this is the one option. Other options you can also utilize according to your need. So this was the video, hope you liked. If you liked, kindly give the thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Peace.